What's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a soft glam look using all Dollar Tree makeup. I just feel like Dollar Tree has stepped up their game so much in makeup. They really do have some nice products that you can use to create just a soft everyday glam look. I did go in and pick up a few things. I was actually looking for a new foundation that they're supposed to have, but unfortunately mine did not have that foundation I was looking for, but I did find just a couple other things. So first off, I found this press setting powder. I'm so excited for this. I haven't been able to find one. This is the HD Camera Ready Pressed Finishing Powder, so I'm excited for that. I also found this beauty blender. This is the Alice in Wonderland. It comes with your little beauty sponge, and it also comes with like a heart-shaped one, so super cute. I found this Almay mascara. I'm a little nervous about this. Usually when Dollar Tree gets a name brand mascara, they're kind of old and more dried out. I hope that's not the case for this one, but I never seem to have good luck with mascara at the Dollar Tree. Then I found these cute little hair clips, and I just thought, oh, they're so cute. I need some little hair clips to like keep up here with me when I'm doing my makeup. So that's what I'm going to use them for. I don't know how much of my hair it will actually hold back. Not too much. My hair is kind of thick. So I'll kind of just have to pin back this top piece, I guess, and see if we can do something like that. And then this is the last little thing that I picked up, this little fan from the dollar store. I love these. They did actually have the little battery operated fans, but I personally just like these ones better. I feel like with the little battery operated ones, I never replace the batteries, and so I always just end up going back to my little hand one. But the one I had was black and red and it broke on me, so I needed to replace it. I love that they have these there. But yeah, all the rest of the makeup that I'm going to be using in today's video is makeup that I've already purchased. I've already tried. I have an opinion about it. And honestly, I do love most of the stuff that I get from the dollar store as far as makeup wise, especially the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using today. So these are the two sponges that you get. How cute! I love these. And they feel super soft. I probably won't be using this one. The little heart one's kind of a weird shape to be using maybe around the eye, but I feel like you're not gonna have like a sharp edge for that. Okay, so I am gonna start off and I'm just gonna take a little bit of this concealer. This concealer is by Be Pure. I don't really love their concealers. I don't think dollar store concealers have that much coverage. But I'm going to go ahead and use this little heart one to blend out that concealer, and we'll see how it does. Super soft, but yeah, just not a lot of coverage going on with the concealers from the dollar store for me. Very hydrating though. I'm actually just going to take a little bit of this pressed powder and set down the eyelid. So going in with this Smoky Browns palette that I have, I love this palette. I think it's so good. I think I'm going to pick up this chocolatey brown shade, and maybe I might mix in a little bit of that cream shade just to kind of lighten up that brown and put that in the crease. We're just working that back and forth, and I'm going to work it up to the brow. I'm actually going to switch brushes. I just don't care for that brush. It's not fluffy enough. Switching brushes and just mixing that dark brown in with that cream shade. And just same thing for this side. Just dipping into the cream shade and going back over top of this brown just so I can soften it. So that way it's not so harsh and it just tones it down a little. I'm going back in with the brown fluffy brush and I will blend out just the crease. I want that brown shade in the crease, but I just don't want it to be so high up. I want it to be a little bit lower than what it was. Now just going into that darker brown shade, I'm going to start working that on just the outer corner. I don't want to take it too far over because I do want this look to stay pretty soft. Just same thing for this side, keeping it on this outer corner. Now going in with that cream shade and packing that all on this front part of the lid. Same thing for this side, just packing it on. Love this cream shade. I think it blends out so beautifully. Going back in with that dark brown brush just to kind of blend out a little in between that cream shade. And I'm just going to pull that cream shade up through up to the eyebrow. Same thing for this side, just pulling it up all the way through. And then we're just going to connect it in under the brow bone. Going back in with the very first fluffy brush and just blending out ever so slightly. Go back into the corner with the dark brown. And then we'll just go ahead and clean up with a makeup wipe. For eyeliner, I'm going to use this one from Ioni. I love these eyeliners from Ioni. They're worth every penny. Okay, so for foundation, I'm going to be using this BB cream. It is such a good foundation. I love this. But I'm also going to be mixing in these bronzer drops. So I'm just going to kind of mix in with my fingers. But I mean, look at that coverage. Isn't that so good? And these bronzing drops just give you a nice bronzy glow, which is what I think you need for a soft glam look. I love how my eyes turned out. I think they look so good. That is a really nice eyeshadow palette for $1.25. To get a nice all matte eyeshadow palette for $1.25 is awesome. They have different ones there. I want to pick up the cool toned one, but of course when I went back they did not have it. The only one they still had was the smoky browns, so hopefully next time I go they'll have the other ones back in, because I believe there's like 2 or 3 different little ones that you can pick up. I'm trying to be like so careful around my eyebrows. Well, I'm gonna go out on a limb and say that this white sponge will no longer be white when I get done with it. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of this over top just so we can blend it out and get a little better color. Looking a little too bronzy here. I feel like the sponge would have been better if I would have had gotten it damp. Okay, so I did just go ahead and get my sponge damp so that way it would blend out a little better. I feel like when it's not damp, it's too hard and it doesn't want to blend out correctly. Definitely have to dampen these sponges. The bronzing drops definitely give your skin like such a nice glow. I think the skin looks so good right now. I love the BB cream and those bronzing drops mixed together. Okay, so let's move on to bronzer. I found this a while ago at the Dollar Tree. This is the Rimmel London Jelly Bronzer. This is actually a really nice bronzer. It's just so different because it is like that jelly texture, but I think that it looks beautiful. It does feel like you're using like a jelly, but I love it. Okay, so I'm just going to blend around the edges with the sponge, but it definitely gives you that nice bronzy look. For blush today, I'm going to be using this one from LA Colors. This is their cream gel blush. This one is in the shade Mesmerizing, and it's just a really pretty like peachy shade. I really like this blush. I think it's really pretty. Again, it feels just like a gel on your skin. It has that like water base feeling to it. Feels nice and cooling on your skin. But I really like this color. I think it's pretty, it's peachy. Okay, so now just going in with a little bit of this Be Pure concealer, and I'm just going to use a brush to blend this out. Again, I think that this concealer is very hydrating. I just don't feel like it gives me a ton of coverage, and I'll just use the sponge to blend out underneath the eye. Okay, so far I'm really loving how this is looking. Now we're gonna go in with a little bit of this pressed powder. I'm just gonna pick it up with my powder puff and go ahead and set under the eye. Ooh, that looks actually really nice. Very nice and brightening, super smoothing. It's not drying my skin out, which I love. Sometimes that's the bad thing about cheaper powders, is that they can really make your under eye look crepey. But I don't feel like this one is doing that, and it's doing a beautiful job of setting everything into place. I'm liking that. So cute. I'm just going to go ahead and use a brush just to go ahead and set down the rest of the face. And I mean, that is setting everything down so beautifully. Okay, so going in with a little bit of this LA Colors bronzer. This one is in the shade Let's Go. These are very pigmented. A little of this bronzer does go such a long way. For powder blush, I'm going in with LA Colors in shade XOXO. Again, this is just a really pretty peachy shade. I think it goes with that cream blush so well. For highlighter, I'm going to be using this one from LA Colors, and this one is in the shade Glow Time. And this is one of the prettiest highlighters. I mean, for $1.25, that's gorgeous. For lips, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. lip liner. And for lipstick, I'm going to be using LA Colors in the shade Oh Teddy. This is one of my favorite lipsticks always. Just go back in with a little liner. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and curl these lashes of mine. Okay, so this is what the wand is looking like. The wand looks really nice on it. Hopefully the formula is still good. It does seem to be like a tad bit dry coming out of the tube, but it seems to be coating the lashes pretty well. I do have to say that's one of the better mascaras that I've gotten from the Dollar Tree in a long time. This is supposed to be a volume and conditioning mascara, so it's supposed to condition your lashes, which is really nice. Okay, so last but not least, we're gonna go in with a little bit of this setting spray. I do really love the mister on that setting spray. I think it's a nice mister. It actually sprays really nice and even, so I love it. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed look. I love how this look turned out. I think the Dollar Tree offers some really amazing makeup products these days. And every single time I go there, I'm always looking in the makeup section because I'm like, you never know what goodies you're gonna find in there. And I think that this soft glam look just turned out so beautiful. But as always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.